Hi, I'm Tanya Bhattacharya.
And I'm Vanessa Glotzbach.
Every year, more than 1,000 social ecology undergraduate students are placed in over 200 community partner agencies through the social ecology field study.
Students see firsthand the connections between theory and practice and grow into more informed community leaders.
Through my field study at a local preschool, I learned about qualitative research methods, and I gained a behind-the-scenes perspective on how a preschool and learning center works. This valuable experience helped pave the way for my current position as the Executive Director of New Directions for Women Foundation, which is an addiction treatment center for women. We've been a field study site for several years, and having field study students in our organization has been invaluable for us. The students have gained real-world experiences working with patients, employees, and others. We had an intern, for example, who put together a LinkedIn presentation for the women we serve to help them in their job search, which is really cool. And then we ended up hiring him as a contractual writer to write articles and blogs for us. Field study opens students' eyes to new career possibilities, and I'm so proud to be a part of their growth and learning.
My field study site was at the nonprofit clean water organization Orange County Coastkeeper, where I helped educate K-12 students and the public on watershed, health, and water quality issues. Field study prepared me for my current career by making me a more valuable employee and provided great networking opportunities. Now, I supervise field study students at Hoag Orthopedics. I was thrilled to have Hoag Orthopedics become a field study site because not only does it allow us to provide a great learning environment for students, but the students also bring innovative ideas and creativity to our organization. Field study students at Hoag Orthopedics support meaningful health research and education, and they help improve the quality of care in our community.
Today is UCI's Giving Day. Help us support field study to ensure the program continues to be transformative for students and the community.
Gifts made during this 24-hour campaign will support students and in turn impact our communities through workshops, scholarships, and student-developed projects. These gifts will help offset the cost of transportation to field study sites, provide professional wardrobes, and more.
Today, on Giving Day, I urge you to consider making a gift to support students in field study. A gift of any size can make a difference in not only a student's life, but also our community.
Zot, zot, zot!